Yeah, welcome back to Rusted Junk Garage. Let's do a little 360 video out in the junker truck as we cruise the country roads on the Olympic Peninsula in the Northwest. Let's check out some of the effects of the 360 camera that you can pull off. This camera is mounted to the passenger door, and it's angled forward and mounted to the rain gutter on the truck. You can spin the thing around like that. You can follow traffic as it passes you. You can zoom in and look at where you're going. There's all kinds of things you can do. You can zoom out. You can pan back, looking at more of the truck. It's just a neat little camera. It's so fun to play with. You can pan to the side, looking that way, spin back a little bit further, and then all the way around. This camera has all kinds of good stuff you can do with it. You can look back. You can even zoom in a little bit, bring that object closer. Got the car behind you there. Spin back around. Check straight down, looking at the road, and you can see the shadow of the 360 camera mounted there. And pan back forward to the front of the vehicle. What a neat little toy. Have had so much fun with it. Thanks for joining us today, Rusted Junk Garage.